Nā tamariki, welcome to this morning PB4L assembly.
Could Destiny please come forward to begin our assembly?
Kia ora and welcome to our school PB4L assembly. We will now begin by saying the school karakia. Close our eyes, bow our heads. Itia riki.
Manatia mate, mea mate whānei, mō tēnei rā. I promise that today I'll do my best, encourage others and never give up. I promise that I'll never give up on myself, my learning and my life. I promise this with all my heart. Amen.
Standing as we sing the national anthem.
To come and address the school.
Kia ora tamariki mā. Hope you have had a great weekend. Just a few notices. Just a reminder, let your parents know that we have cancelled the night market. So very disappointing, but hey aha. A reminder for those of you who have the responsibility of emptying our paper bins into the big paper bin, please don't empty them in there if it's already full. Otherwise all that rubbish just blows across our playground.
I'd like to call on Mr. Easthurst to come and share the PB4L focus this week.
Our PB4L focus this week is play it safe. It's important that we know how we can be safe at playtime and make sure that everyone is safe and play by the rules. Well done to Room 30 for having the top attendance. It is good to see you all still coming to school even with the challenges we face.
Mrs. Ahmed, can you please come on stage to draw the lucky draw for PB4L this week?
Cool, so this week's PB4L 2-week awards go to
Shazana in room 4.
Yep. Zoo.
This one goes to Mahisa in room 20.
Lucky last.
Goes to Matini in room 20 as well.
Cool. Well done, guys.
I would like to call on Mrs. Absalom to share the Te Reo Māori lesson for this week.
Kia ora tamariki mā. This week we are going to focus on commands or requests. One that we have all been doing really well is washing our hands. Let's say it in te reo. Horoia o ringaringa. Wash your hands. Horoia o ringaringa. Here are some others that you could practice with your class. Rārangi mai, rārangi atu, rārangi ki waho, kuhu mai ki roto, haere mai ki konei. Kia pai.
We will now sing the new PB4L song. Can we all sing it together?
Te toko toko I whenuku, te toko toko I wherangi, toki atu kia. Ko te mumu, ko te awha, ko te mumu, ko te awha, ko te manihi kai o ta takere panapana, karau I ronga, karau I raro, ka whai tā more, I ronga, ka whai tā more. I raro. Tēnā ko te pau. Tēnā ko te pau, orongo, norongo, mauri, ora, ka ora te pau, te toko toko I whenuku, te toko toko I wherangi, toki atu kia. Ko te mumu, ko te awha, ko te mumu, ko te awha, ko te manihi kai o ta takere panapana, karau I ronga, karau I raro, ka whai tā more, I ronga, ka whai tā more, I raro. Tēnā ko te pau. Tēnā ko te pau, orongo, norongo, mauri, ora, ka ora e.
To end our PB4L semi, remember to support our leaders and care for others. Thank you.